Hi everyone, it's Bella Tilbury, and today I'm going to show you the amazing new limited edition Limitless Lucky Lips. These launched in the holiday collection and we know how much everyone loved them, so we're really excited to show you these amazing kiss-proof, moisturizing, super matte lipsticks. And we are so excited that they're back in. I absolutely love these lipsticks. They come in 4 amazing new shades. There's a Velvet Nude, Rose Hope, Raspberry Charm, and Spice Bloom. So today I'm going to show you how to use these amazing new shades. They are the secret to fuller, flawless looking lips. They are light as air with an ultra matte finish. And they're super easy to apply. They're rich in emollients. It doesn't feel claustrophobic at all. It glides on almost like in a moisturizing way, and it feels so light. And the pigments in this are so incredible. It really gives that high impact, ultra matte kind of finish and color. The new shades are so beautiful. We have Velvet Nude, which is sort of a kind of caramel nude. We have Spice Bloom, which is sort of a warm, peachy nude. And then we have Raspberry Charm, which is sort of a raspberry pink, and then Rose Hope, which is sort of a rose pink. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is Velvet Nude. You can either wear these with a lip liner. The recommended one is Iconic Nude, but you kind of mix and match. As you can see, it's kind of a caramel nude. It's really beautiful, very flattering. It's ultra matte. It's going to last all day. You can see on the swatch, it gives that matte finish. So you want to let the lipstick dry a little bit, and then it's going to be this amazing transfer-proof, kiss-proof, ultra matte lip. The next one I'm going to show you is a warm peachy nude. It's called Spice Bloom. So with Spice Bloom, I put on Love Trap underneath. It's a super long lasting formula. It's got a 16-hour wear in it. It's kiss proof, it's transfer proof, light as air feel, easy to put on. This kind of silo bullet means that it's incredibly easy to apply. When you're putting it on, it just glides on so easy because it's rich in emollients, but then it gives this ultra matte finish. It's genius. The third shade I'm going to try on is Rose Hope. It is a rosy pink. It is such a beautiful shade. I've put on Super Size Me because I think that's the best colour to match it. It takes 2 seconds and you have the perfect fuller pink pout all day. And the final shade I'm going to apply is Raspberry Charm. It is a raspberry pink. It's the most high impact colour of these new shades, and they're really precise because of the way Charlotte's designed the packaging. It's such a beautiful pigmented colour. It's this raspberry pink, but it's actually super wearable because of the ultra matte finish. It's one of my favourite shades actually in the new shades that we've launched. Amazing ingredients in there which help improve collagen synthesis. They actually reduce the appearance of lip lines, which is often a concern with matte lips. So shop now on charlottetilbury.com.